10 years ago, Google Glass failed spectacularly. People called it creepy, awkward, and ahead of its time. But in 2025, the future it promised is finally arriving, and this time it's working. Smart glasses and augmented reality devices are staging a massive comeback in the US market, fueled by breakthroughs in AI, microdisplays, and voice computing. Apple, Meta, Amazon, and a new wave of startups are all racing to define what could become the next dominant consumer platform, one that moves beyond phones, beyond screens, and directly into your field of view. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the next great battle in tech, the fight for your face. 1. The wearable moment is back. If the 2010s belong to smartphones, the 2020s belong to wearables. Fitness trackers and smartwatches paved the way. They taught us how to wear technology daily without thinking about it. Now that same idea is moving to our eyes. In 2025, the US wearable tech market hit $75 billion, with smart glasses making up the fastest-growing segment, up nearly 60% year-over-year. Why? Because AI has finally made them useful. 2. From gadget to assistant. The first generation of smart glasses failed because they tried to replace smartphones. This generation is succeeding because they're replacing interfaces. Instead of pulling out your phone to search, translate, navigate, or shop, AI-powered glasses let you do it instantly with your voice, your eyes, or even your gestures. Ask for directions, get visual overlays, look at a restaurant, see reviews, read a menu in another language, see instant translation. It's not about showing off technology, it's about removing friction from daily life. 3. Apple, Meta, and the consumer AI war. At the center of this revolution are two tech giants, Apple and Meta, each betting billions on different versions of the future. Apple's Vision Pro started as a high-end AR headset, but insiders say a lighter glasses-style model is already in development. It's part of Apple's long-term plan to replace the iPhone entirely. Meta, meanwhile, has doubled down on accessibility. Its Ray-Ban Meta smart glasses, built with EssilorLuxottica, now feature built-in AI assistants powered by the company's Llama 3 model. You can point at something and ask, "What am I looking at?" And it will tell you instantly. It's personal computing without the computer. 4. Amazon and the commerce connection. Never count Amazon out. While Apple and Meta chase lifestyle and social use, Amazon is quietly building the commerce layer of the AR future. Imagine walking through a store, looking at an item, and seeing price comparisons, reviews, and delivery options right in your view. That's the kind of frictionless shopping experience Amazon is prototyping with its Alexa Glasses project, reportedly integrated with its AI assistant and Prime ecosystem. If successful, it could turn every physical store into a digital storefront. 5. The power of AI vision. The real engine behind all this isn't the glasses, it's the AI vision systems powering them. Computer vision, multimodal AI, and real-time processing now allow devices to understand the physical world in context. Thanks to models like GPT-4o, Anthropic's Claude Vision, and Google's Gemini, wearables can recognize objects, interpret scenes, and respond conversationally. That means smart glasses can do far more than display data. They can think. This is the shift from augmented reality to augmented intelligence. 6. Design meets adoption. Let's be honest, nobody wants to look like a cyborg. That's why the biggest barrier to adoption has always been style. But companies are finally figuring it out. The latest devices from Meta, Amazon, and startups like Brilliant Labs and Viture look like regular glasses, lightweight, stylish, and discreet. Battery tech has improved. Displays are sharper, cameras are smaller. In short, these are wearables you'd actually wear. And once they blend seamlessly into fashion, adoption will skyrocket. 7. The enterprise angle. AR means business. While consumer wearables grab headlines, the real profits may come from enterprise AR. US companies are deploying AR glasses for fieldwork, logistics, and training. Technicians use them to see repair instructions hands-free. Warehouse staff use them to navigate inventory faster. Surgeons use them to overlay medical scans during operations. Companies like Magic Leap, Microsoft, and Lenovo are carving out billion-dollar markets in AR for industry, where efficiency gains translate directly into revenue. 8. Privacy, power, and policy. Of course, putting cameras and microphones on people's faces raises big questions. Who owns the data these devices see? Can companies track what you look at or listen to? And how will regulators handle this new flood of visual data? Lawmakers in California and Washington are already drafting policies around AI wearable transparency, requiring companies to signal when recording is active. Privacy will make or break the future of AR adoption. The companies that win will be those that make trust part of the design. 9. The next phase, the phone replacement. Every major tech revolution replaces the previous interface. The PC replaced the typewriter. The smartphone replaced the computer. Now, smart glasses are gearing up to replace the smartphone. Experts predict that by 2030, AR wearables could surpass phones as the dominant personal device, always on, always connected, always contextual. And when that happens, the entire consumer economy, from advertising to entertainment to retail, will transform around what you see. Screens won't disappear, they'll just move to your eyes. 10. The takeaway, computing without thinking. Smart glasses aren't a gimmick anymore. They're the next step in the evolution of human-computer interaction. When AI and AR merge, technology stops being something you use. It becomes something that surrounds you. The future of tech won't be typed or tapped. It'll be spoken, seen, and experienced. That's why every major US tech company is investing billions, not to build another screen, but to remove screens entirely. The era of invisible computing has begun, and once it fully arrives, we won't just be looking at technology anymore. We'll be looking through it.